Kicking off our list, the Bosch Products Expandable Dogs revolutionize workbench clamping with a simple twist to expand mechanism. These dogs fit standard 3/4-inch or 20mm holes, locking down tight with unparalleled grip strength. Their low-profile design ensures they stay well below the surface of your workpiece to prevent router or saw blade damage. You can easily adjust the tension to secure custom jigs, track saw rails, or odd-shaped materials without slipping. Crafted from durable materials, they withstand the rigorous demands of daily shop use while protecting delicate wood edges. Stepping up from traditional holds, these expandable dogs provide the exact stability your precision woodworking projects demand. Transitioning to heavy demolition, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Striker Hammer Chisel delivers corded-level power in a fully battery-operated package. This beast utilizes advanced brushless motor technology to generate massive impact energy for breaking stubborn concrete. It features an anti-vibration system that significantly reduces user fatigue during prolonged chiseling sessions. The quick-change chuck allows you to swap bits rapidly, keeping your momentum going on demanding job sites. With optimized thermal management, the tool sustains maximum performance even under extreme load conditions. Leaving cords behind doesn't mean sacrificing brute force, making this an essential upgrade for serious demolition crews. When heavy machinery dies, the Sealey RS 4000 RoadStart packs a colossal 4,000 amp peak punch to bring it back to life. This 12-volt lithium power pack is engineered to instantly start large commercial engines, including heavy-duty trucks and agricultural equipment. Its compact footprint belies the massive energy density stored within, replacing the need for bulky lead-acid jump packs. Smart safety protections guard against reverse polarity, short circuits, and voltage spikes to keep your vehicle electronics safe. Integrated USB ports and a high-lumen LED work light add essential utility for roadside emergencies in total darkness. Moving from the shop to the roadside, this ultimate rescue tool ensures dead batteries never disrupt your workflow again. Shifting to professional finishing, the Graco ProReach telescoping spray pole completely eliminates the need for ladders on tall painting jobs. This extension system easily adjusts to reach high ceilings, overhanging eaves, and tricky architectural details from solid ground. The lightweight aluminum construction prevents shoulder fatigue without compromising the rigidity needed for precise spray control. It integrates seamlessly with your existing Graco airless spray guns, providing a leak-free fluid path right to the tip. An articulating head allows you to dial in the perfect spray angle, ensuring an even, professional coat everywhere. Keeping your feet firmly planted on the floor, this pole dramatically increases both painting speed and job site safety. To complement your braking tools, Hilti FlatPoint and BullPoint chisels are forged to dominate heavy-duty concrete demolition tasks. These chisels feature a proprietary polygon design that actively prevents jamming, keeping your breaker moving through dense materials. The self-sharpening tips maintain peak braking power over the entire lifespan of the bit, eliminating manual regrinding downtime. High alloy steel construction absorbs massive impact shocks while resisting the brittle fractures common in standard masonry chisels. Whether you are scaling walls or trenching slabs, the specialized geometries concentrate maximum force exactly where needed. Pairing perfectly with high-output breakers, these premium bits redefine efficiency in aggressive concrete removal operations. For electrical diagnostics, the Klein Tools ET354-in-1 digital circuit breaker finder takes the guesswork out of panel mapping. This intelligent device swiftly identifies the exact breaker controlling any standard outlet, lighting fixture, or bare wire circuit. The integrated digital receiver provides clear visual and audible feedback, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in crowded electrical panels. It operates flawlessly on both energized and de-energized circuits, making it incredibly versatile for any residential or commercial environment. Built-in GFCI testing and wire tracing capabilities consolidate multiple essential electrical tools into one rugged, drop-resistant unit. Upgrading your diagnostic arsenal with this finder means ending the frustrating game of trial-and-error breaker flipping forever. Tackling job site cleanup. The Ego Power Plus 3-gallon compact wet and dry vacuum brings massive suction power to a highly portable footprint. Running on the universal Ego 56-volt battery platform, it easily pulls up heavy debris, sawdust, and liquid spills without hesitation. The onboard storage system intelligently houses all included nozzles and hoses, making transport to and from the site completely seamless. A washable HEPA filter traps ultrafine dust particles, ensuring the exhaust air remains clean in enclosed working spaces. You can also reverse the airflow instantly, transforming the vacuum into a powerful blower for clearing off workbenches. Moving from construction messes to detailed vehicle cleaning, this cordless vac delivers consistent, high-velocity performance anywhere. Returning to shop safety, the BO Products Expandable Push Shoe provides unprecedented control when feeding stock through a table saw. Featuring a dense EVA foam base, the shoe grips the wood aggressively while actively absorbing dangerous kickback energy. The expandable design allows you to adjust the footprint, accommodating both wide panels and incredibly narrow rip cuts safely. If the blade ever contacts the shoe, the foam safely cuts away without shattering or damaging your expensive saw blade. Its ergonomic handle keeps your hands high and away from the danger zone while applying consistent downward and forward pressure. Securing your workpiece with this innovative push block is the smartest upgrade you can make for table saw safety. Lifting heavy, awkward materials is effortless with the Graco Ergo S2, a revolutionary battery-powered vacuum suction lifter. This compact powerhouse secures a rock-solid grip on porous and rough surfaces like textured tile, concrete, drywall, and wood. The digital pressure sensor continuously monitors the vacuum seal, automatically repumping if it detects any loss of suction during transport. Its ergonomic dual-handle design distributes weight perfectly, allowing a single operator to move massive panels that previously required 2 people. The heavy-duty foam rubber seal conforms to surface irregularities, ensuring a safe lift even on deeply textured exterior pavers. Transitioning from delicate glass to rugged masonry, this intelligent suction tool radically transforms how you handle heavy materials. For aggressive metalworking, the Hilti AG30D22 cordless angle grinder delivers corded grinding performance on the Neuron battery platform. This grinder features a brushless motor optimized to slice through thick steel, rebar, and cast iron without bogging down. Advanced safety features include active torque control to instantly stop the wheel in a bind, protecting the user from violent kickback. The ergonomic slim grip design allows for comfortable maneuvering in tight spaces during extended cutting or grinding operations. A dead man switch and rapid electronic brake ensure the spinning disc halts immediately the moment you release the trigger. Pushing cordless boundaries, this Hilti grinder guarantees massive material removal rates without tethering you to a wall outlet. Fusing optics with mechanics, the VizTool HT01 combines a 74-in-1 precision screwdriver with an integrated wireless HD camera. The macro lens streams crisp, real-time 1080p video directly to your smartphone, illuminating dark, microscopic workspaces perfectly. It features a wireless electronic torque control system, allowing you to dial in exact fastening limits to prevent stripping delicate screws. The comprehensive bit set covers every proprietary fastener you will encounter in modern electronics, drones, and smartphone repairs. Housed in a sleek magnetic aluminum casing, it keeps all 74 bits meticulously organized and ready for immediate deployment. Merging visual diagnostics with precision fastening makes this the ultimate repair tool for deep electronics surgery. Organizing your gear becomes effortless with the MagnoGrip SnapLock modular storage system, designed for rapid accessibility. This system utilizes heavy-duty magnetic and mechanical snap locks to instantly connect pouches, holsters, and belts in endless configurations. The ballistic nylon construction withstands severe abrasion, keeping your sharpest hand tools secured without puncturing the fabric. You can quickly detach your drill holster or fastener pouch and snap it directly to a magnetic wall plate in the van. This modularity means you only carry exactly what you need for the specific task at hand, drastically reducing weight fatigue. Completely reinventing tool belts, this system ensures your workflow remains agile and hyper-organized across every job site. Revolutionizing small paint jobs, the Graco Ultra QuickShot 2 is an ultra-portable, belt-mounted airless sprayer with instantaneous trigger response. The electronic spray gun eliminates the traditional spit and splatter, delivering a flawless finish on doors, cabinets, and trim. By isolating the pump on your belt, the spray gun itself becomes incredibly lightweight, allowing for precise maneuvering in tight spaces. You can dial in the exact pressure directly at the gun, ensuring perfect atomization with both thin stains and thick architectural paints. Cleanup takes seconds rather than minutes, thanks to the simplified fluid path and small-capacity disposable cup system. Delivering big sprayer performance in a wearable package, the QuickShot 2 is the fastest way to achieve professional finishes on smaller projects. Handling high-pressure inflation tasks, the Ego Power Plus compact inflator utilizes the 56-volt platform to top off tires at blistering speeds. The digital display lets you set an exact target PSI, automatically shutting off the pump the moment the pressure is reached. It easily inflates heavy-duty truck tires, equipment tracks, and sports gear without the overheating issues common in smaller 12-volt inflators. The compact block-style design prevents it from tipping over in the dirt, while the high-pressure hose connects securely via brass fittings. Onboard LED lights illuminate dark roadside emergencies, ensuring you can connect the chuck safely in the dead of night. Bridging the gap between shop compressors and portable pumps, this inflator delivers instant, high-volume air anywhere. Taking digital fabrication mobile, the Gordix 3-in-1 portable CNC brings carving, laser engraving, and drawing directly to your desktop. This modular machine breaks down the barriers of traditional bulky CNCs, allowing you to easily swap tool heads in seconds. It precisely mills wood, plastics, and soft metals with its high-speed spindle, turning digital models into physical reality effortlessly. Switching to the laser module allows you to etch intricate designs and cut thin materials with absolute pinpoint accuracy. The intuitive control software makes operation accessible for beginners, while offering the deep customization that seasoned makers demand. Transforming any flat surface into an automated workshop, this portable CNC empowers creators to manufacture complex parts anywhere. For uncompromising concrete removal, the Bosch Pro GS H11 EV demolition hammer utilizes an inline design for superior weight distribution and handling. Delivering an immense 21 joules of impact energy, it crushes thick foundation slabs, footings, and structural concrete with devastating efficiency. The active vibration control system floats the main handle, drastically reducing the shock waves traveling up the operator's arms. The Variolock positioning allows you to rotate the chisel into 12 distinct angles, ensuring the perfect strike geometry for any task. A constant response circuitry maintains speed under heavy loads, preventing the motor from bogging down during aggressive breakouts. Combining massive destructive power with ergonomic refinement, this breaker sets the standard for continuous heavy-duty demolition. Eliminating measurement errors, the Recon Tape Measure Accuracy Block is a brilliantly simple jig that guarantees perfectly precise marks. You simply slide the block onto your tape measure blade, aligning the laser-etched sightline perfectly with your desired dimension. The solid aluminum block then rests flat against your workpiece, providing a rigid, square edge to run your pencil against. This totally eradicates the parallax error and blade flexing that ruins measurements when wrapping a tape over a curved edge. It works flawlessly with almost any standard tape measure, instantly upgrading your existing gear to cabinet-making accuracy. By transforming a flexible tape into a rigid marking gauge, this small block drastically reduces costly miscuts in the shop. For precise layout work, the UJK T-Square 10019 is machined from aircraft-grade aluminum to deliver absolute, unwavering squareness. The blade features critically precise 1 mm spaced holes, allowing you to drop a mechanical pencil in and strike perfectly parallel lines. Its heavy-duty stock registers firmly against the edge of your sheet goods, eliminating the wobble found in standard framing squares. The laser-etched scale is highly contrasting and deeply engraved, ensuring it will never wear off after years of sliding across rough lumber. A slight bevel on the blade edge reduces parallax error, bringing the scale intimately close to the actual surface of the wood. Stepping up to this level of precision layout ensures your cabinetry and furniture joints align flawlessly on the first try. Finally, housing all this equipment requires the massive capacity of the Sealey 12-drawer top chest and roll cab storage system. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel, this professional workshop cabinet supports immense weight while maintaining perfectly smooth, ball-bearing drawer operation. The top chest provides deep storage for bulky power tools, while the shallow drawers keep hand tools meticulously organized and visible. An integrated central locking mechanism secures your entire investment with a single turn of the key, preventing job site theft. Heavy-duty casters allow you to roll this fully loaded armory effortlessly across cracked concrete floors directly to your workspace. Finishing out our list, this rugged storage solution is the ultimate fortress for protecting and organizing your expanding tool collection. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Naj Tools for more game-changing gear. Catch you next time!